36th District Court is now in session with the Honorable Raeigen Evans presiding. While court's in session, there's no reading, talking, eating, sleeping, walking around, driving a car, smoking, or doing anything that would be dishonorable and disrespectful to the court. When your name is called, please unmute your devices and give your full attention to the court. Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning, Mr. Petway. Good morning, Ms. Hatcher. This is the People versus Janine Ruffin, ticket number P1206949, count one, disregard officer's signal. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher, P74935, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Janine Ruffin. Oh, I thought it was me.
Ruffin, can you say your name again?
Janine Ruffin.
Your Honor, this matter was set for under a 3-month delayed sentence. The defendant has paid all fines and costs. We are just asking this matter be closed out.
All right, it looks like you complied with the requirements of the court, so this matter is closed out, Ms. Ruffin, and dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Back to you, ma'am.
Thank you, Your Honor.
I guess it's dismissed with prejudice. Good luck.
Thank you very much.
Mr. Petway, we worked out the matter. I don't know if you want me to email over the offer or can we just put it on the record?
We can put it on the record. Are you guys ready right now?
Yes, on Dixon. The trooper is here as well.
Okay. Give me one moment, Ms. Hatcher, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right, this is the People versus Andre Dixon, SX 408-7966, count 1, 21 to 25 miles per hour on posted speed. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with the People.
May it please this honorable court, Paul Cole on behalf of the People, P31888.
Good morning, Your Honor. Lawrence LaSalle, 71355, on behalf of Mr. Andre Dixon, requesting the waive his presence.
And there's a trooper. Can you say your name, please?
Trooper Justin Butchkaya.
Hi, thank you. All right, so this matter is set for normal hearing. How does your client wish to proceed, Mr. Velasco?
Your Honor, we have a resolution. My client would plead responsible to a reduced speeding charge of limited access speed 11 to 15, which would be the 2-point violation. As part of that condition, he would be required to take a basic driver improvement course that we would provide to the court prior to the reduction.
Okay, so we're adjourning it.
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. How are you asking for?
30 days, please, Your Honor. Somewhere in that time frame.
So that would be September 29th.
That would be helpful.
All right, anything further?
No, Your Honor, not on behalf of the People.
Nothing further. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, you guys are all set.
All right.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you, Trooper.
Thank you.
I gotta do it to let me in. You know why they let me in?
Job date over 10/25. Pre-trial date.
This is the People versus Arthur Drew. Ticket number P1192808, count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please say your name for the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher. You're muted, Ms. Hatcher.
Good morning, Amari Hatcher, appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, Mr. Reevy.
James W. Reevy.
Your Honor, we do have a recommendation for dismissal with respect to the misdemeanor count. We'd ask that the court adopt that recommendation.
You stipulate to probable cause, Ms. Hatcher?
So stipulated.
Okay, this matter is dismissed without prejudice. And you are all set. Mr. Drew, good luck to you, sir.
Thank you.
This is the People versus James Reevy, ticket number P 1271204, count 1, drive with revoked license. Good morning, please state your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, sir.
James William Reevy.
Your Honor, we do have a recommendation for dismissal with respect to the misdemeanor count.
All right, with that, you stipulate to the face, to probable cause.
So stipulated.
This matter is dismissed without prejudice. You are all set. Mr. Reevy, good luck to you, sir. This is
Thank you,
the
ma'am.
People- Thank you. This is the People versus Brianna Rogers, ticket number SP 1190938. Count 1, drive while license suspended, repeat offender. Count 2, improper plates. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number SP 1203004. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Count 2, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. And count 3, improper plates. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher.
Good morning, Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Brianna Rogers.
Your Honor, we do have a recommendation for dismissal on all counts. She has provided valid documentation.
With that, you stipulate to the face of the ticket attached. I'm sorry,
No.
problem.
So stipulated.
All right, these matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Ms. Rogers. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Were you ready on anything else, Ms. Hatcher?
Ms. Robinson should be a dismissal. I'm not sure if Madam Prosecutor has written it up yet.
Who did you say, Ms.
Archica?
Robinson?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, Robinson. Was this valid documentation?
Yeah, she has a valid driver's license.
No, obviously you have.
Yeah. And this is the People versus Archica Robinson, ticket number P 1259225. Count 1, drive while license suspended. Good morning, please state your names to the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher.
Good morning, Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record, ma'am.
Archica Robertson.
Your Honor, we do have a recommendation for dismissal due to valid documentation. We ask the court to adopt that recommendation, and we will stipulate to probable cause.
All right, with that, the court will dismiss count 1 without prejudice, and you are all set. Ms. Robinson, good luck to you, ma'am.
Thank you. You too. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
And Ms. Dennis can be called as well.
This is the People versus Shay Dennis, ticket number P 1315955, count 1, allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher.
Good morning, Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Please state your name for the record.
Shay Dennis.
Your Honor, Ms. Dennis would like to continue her not guilty plea and have this matter set by trial. Ma'am, did you want a trial by judge or jury?
By judge.
Okay, Ms. Dennis, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
So put your hand down. You understand you do have the right to a jury trial?
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder?
Yes.
Okay, so the court's gonna continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for October 25th at 9 o'clock. Did you have any questions?
No.
Okay, so you're all set, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Your Honor, I probably need to speak to either the clerk or Madam Prosecutor with respect to Mr. Diaz. He thought that these matters were dismissed at Mound Correctional Facility. So I don't know if it can be looked up in the system or not.
That's top.
This is the only thing that's out there, this case, or these tickets.
Yeah, a lot of them, but they all closed now.
Most of them have been closed out. This is the only one that's still open. And the offer is, count 1 improper plates, and I do time served.
Is that what you want to do, sir? It'll be time served. Okay.
Okay, this is the People versus Erasmo Diaz, ticket number P113573, count 1 improper plates, count 2 drove while license not valid or improper license, count 3 no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record, starting with Attorney Hatcher.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amari Hatcher appearing on behalf of the defendant. Sir, please state your name for the record.
Erasmo Deal.
And Your Honor, he would like to avail himself of the offers presented to the court.
All right, can you raise your right hand, Mr. Diaz? Do you, the other one, do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you can put your hand down. You've had an opportunity to speak to Ms. Hatcher today in private about your case and your rights.
Yes.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value in exchange for your guilty plea today?
No, ma'am.
You're pleading of your own free will.
Yes, Your Honor.
You're pleading guilty because you're actually guilty.
Yes, Your Honor.
You understand that by pleading guilty, you're waiving your right to trial?
Yes, Your Honor.
And knowing that you're waiving your right to trial, you still wish to continue with your guilty plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
I'm going to direct your attention to the date of November 17, 2020 at 1:11 p.m. On that date and time, were you at or near the location of Tarnow and McGraw in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a 1999 Chevrolet vehicle?
Yes.
And did you have improper plates on that vehicle?
Yes, Your Honor.
You satisfied, Ms. Hatcher?
Satisfied.
Satisfied on a factual basis. Will accept the admission to count 1. You stipulate the probable cause as the remaining counts to be dismissed.
So stipulated.
Okay, so they're dismissed without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing, and the court will order time served. So you are all set, Mr. Diaz. Good luck to you, sir.
All right. Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Miss, I guess that's.
Oh, okay, Your Honor, as for Mr. Davis Christopher, his officer has not checked in. Then again, two people are in the waiting room, but I don't believe it's done.
His is at, it was scheduled at 9.
It was,
Yes, Your Honor.
So
Yeah.
I'm gonna wait just a few more minutes. Just to make sure that before I call the case is for Bill. So thank you.
No worries. Thank you.
Are
Okay.
you bringing in the other people from the waiting
that's
room?
about to do that now. Mr.
Okay.
Corporal Spidey, I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 2. And you will return to your breakout room, Mr. Davis. Oh, he's, okay. Now let me get the rest of the people. I'm sorry.
That's okay.
Yes, ma'am.